So because of lack of sunlight, I could not get much production in the beginning. But when I purchased these lights from this company, this is Nexsel Pune based company, and now it has diversified at different countries. Very nice yield I am getting. You can see by how the bottles I have used recycled, and I am getting nice yield. So this is my terrace garden microgreens I am doing. This is the fenugreek methi, and I am trying different experiments, but with this Nexsel brand light, very nice, very productive and very successful. You can see over here. I tried because I had a terrace on the top like this. Terrace could not give sunlight, sufficient sunlight, so I used this light arrangement and very successful. Thank you.